Sugar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Konrad Sangma Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya ula pentip bang kiladon hadu lai hadu sospa atli kikam ki betli Hapoh ketena terikam jong Meghalaya Civil Defence and Home Guard bad yakini ru an sa pendap no shen kumalale lang sikiwe pat ketena terikam jong Sorkar jela nakali yang ketena terikam jong Home Guard kala kintu ke Sorkar jela ban pan yaki kerdan puli ki bayarengkat bad ki pendap haga kampulit jong ke jela Syusuk haga bedai bat ke MPSC pat nakali yang Konrad ulaong ba kaladon ke benta ke bakedau yiki backward class kat kum ki kindon jong ke MPSC bat haga bedai bat kani ula pentip bakum ke Sorkar hi ka klemmang kam na ke benta ki backward class Hapoh ke jela pat kum ke kinhon menteri kala rai namar bemdon kam bat klemmang ye kani ke kerdan la rai bat Pynduh season don ru ye ke kentin backward class.
The next decision that was made by the cabinet today was the amendment of the service rules of the Meghalaya Civil Defence and Home Guards. It is a very simple aspect that there are about 300-400 posts that are there which are lying vacant, so there was a move to fill up those posts like we're doing in all the other departments like education and health and also in police. So in Home Guards and Civil Defence also, the department has asked for certain amendments in the education qualification and bring it at par with what is there in the police department. And hence the requirements in the Home Guards and Civil Defence was slightly higher than compared to the police. And hence they have requested and urged that they should be at par with what is there in the police. And the cabinet has agreed to that particular decision so that they can go ahead with the recruitment process. In the Meghalaya Public Service Commission regulations, as you're aware that in that particular the order in the resolution that is there and in the rules, the word backward classes also appears in the particular rules of the MPSE, and hence the backward class as per the reservation policy of the state, there is no reservation for backward class in our state. So hence the word being there in the rules is actually not really serving any purpose. So therefore the decision was made today that since there is no specific reservation for backward classes, and hence there is no need for the word backward classes to be there, and hence we have removed the word backward.